What's up, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix Mom channel. Today I want to replace this light fixture with the new one we just got from Amazon. It's very beautiful light and you will love it. So I'm gonna put the link in description if you want to purchase it. So this is the light. Very nice, very amazing. Watch all the way to the end. Let's start it. To take the old light fixture and make sure you turn off the power. You don't have any power. There is a nut here, so you have to unloose this nut. So you can use the screwdriver to hit it and to make it loose, flat screwdriver. Or in my case, it didn't open, so I have to get the plier. So with the plier, I grab it two sides and I lose the nuts. So after that, the frame is gonna come off and I get access to the wire in the back. So make sure you turn off the power from the breaker box, okay, before you start doing anything on the light. Alright, so we take the nut off here. You see, this is the wire. So we have a black wire, white wire. Black wire is gonna be our hot, and it's already loose here. So that's why I'm saying make sure it's turned off from breaker. So, and the white wire is your neutral, and so you have to disconnect that one and put everything on the side. So, and make sure you put the wire nut back just for in case. Okay, I always put the wire nut back. So to take the light fixture off, there is a two screw here. I'm gonna unloose this two screw, one in this side, one the other side, to be able to take the light fixture off. It's very simple. So just you hold the light fixture with your other hand. We have a 4 nut here, so I'm gonna take this off to be able to get the back mountain. So I'm gonna use that back mountain to install it on the ceiling. So, and I use the two screw to do that. So this two screw is going to the box, is already installed to the ceiling and is support with the stud in the ceiling. So that box is never gonna fall, and this two screw is gonna secure our frame all the way to the ceiling. So don't worry about the light fixture fail. So I'm gonna tighten this, and you see there is a 4 screw already over there, and that screws is going to that 4 nut. We took it off. We're gonna put it back in the same place. All right, let's do it. So here I wish I get the camera more close, but I didn't. So there is a 2 nut on each screw. So you have to tighten those nuts to secure the screw to the frame. So make sure uh, the gold screw doesn't move after you find the right spot. So you don't want that move a lot, because you cannot tie the another nut after that. So you're gonna see what I'm saying. So you are able to adjust the length of the light fixture by pulling the wire and cutting. So just watch how I do it and do the same thing. So I'm gonna connect the wire together, the hot, cold, hot, neutral, and the ground. So I will connect that one. I have another video if you wanna see how to exactly connect the wire. So I'm gonna put the link in description. You can check that out. But it's very simple. For this light fixture, one of the wires go to the neutral, another one go to the hot wire, and one is go to the ground. So it's very simple. So after I connect all my wire, I'm gonna make sure all the wire is inside, and I'm gonna put the 4 screw inside the hole and put the nut back. It's that simple. There you go. We're gonna install this crystal. It has a wire we just put in the hole and twist it, so it's gonna stay. It's very beautiful. So the light was crooked after we install all the crystal. It's gonna be level. Don't worry about that. Let's see how we do it. There you go. I love this light fixture. It's very beautiful, especially at night. So night is a day. If you turn on the light at night, it's amazing. So you have to open those zip tie. So I left the zip tie if you see it. So I'm gonna take the zip tie off to let the wire be open, and then it's gonna be look nicer. There you go. I just open it and perfecto. Very nice, and it's level. So like I said, the link in the description if you want to purchase that. One more thing, if you want to adjust the lens more, you can push this up and it's gonna stay. So make sure subscribe to the channel. I will show you how to fix your home by yourself without paying anyone. Don't forget to like the video.